Nissan has launched the Magnite in India at a starting price of Rs 4.99 lakh, with the top-end model going for Rs 9.35 lakh. The Magnite competes in the sub-4-meter SUV segment, which is already full of various options. The Nissan SUV is available in 5 trims with 2 petrol engines. The prices are only introductory for now and will be applicable till the end of December 2020. Based on the CMF-A Plus platform that also underpins the Renault Triber, the Magnite is offered with 2 petrol engines. The first is a 1-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, also present in the Triber, that makes 72 PS 96 Nm. This engine can only be had with a 5-speed manual transmission. The second and more powerful option is a 1-liter turbo petrol engine that makes 100 PS 160 Nm. This engine too is available with a 5-speed manual transmission. Certain variants also get the option of a CVT, however, the torque figure in that case drops down to 152 Nm. While that is an 8 Nm difference, you'll be hard-pressed to notice it in the real world. There is no option of a diesel engine. While its pricing might make it sound like a budget SUV, the Magnite is being offered with a well-rounded features package that allows it to rub shoulders with the best in the segment. You get an 8-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, a 360-degree camera, LED headlamps, automatic climate control and cruise control among other things. Nissan is also offering a tech pack for the top-of-the-line XV and XV Premium variants that add an air purifier, wireless smartphone charging, JBL speakers, LED scuff plates, ambient mood lighting, and puddle lamps to the Magnite. On the safety front, the Magnite comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, 3-point seatbelts for 4 passengers with a pretensioner, and force limiter function for the driver and passenger, rear parking sensors, and a rear wiper and defogger is standard across all variants. The turbo variants also get safety features such as traction control, vehicle dynamics control, hill start assist and hydraulic brake assist.